Hey Rangshay, welcome back. Hope you all enjoyed the midterm break. So we're going to do a few more days of long division, just today and tomorrow, and before moving on to percentages in the middle of the week. Okay, so Arish and you, we're going to be on Lahnach Noka, page 90, and I'm going to show you these ones that are circled here. Okay, and then I'm going to tell you the ones you do at the end. Is that okay? So now, like we said previously, if my beautiful assistant here, my wife Ruth, moves to the copy, we will see that if you're dividing by a decimal, you can never have a decimal out here. So we get rid of the decimal, we jump it 2 places to the right there. So you must do the exact same thing, jump it 2 places to the right there. And our sum is going to be 3234 divided by 33. Okay, see the way we've gotten rid of the decimal outside? And then we just carry on as normal, just a normal long division. 33 into 3 doesn't go, 33 into 32 doesn't go, 33 into 3, 2, 3. I'm going to try 33 times 9, just see, 27, 2, 9, 7. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I put up my 9 here, put my 2, 9, 7 here, subtract, and that is going to be 26. Okay, bring down my 4. And if that there was 33 times 9 was 297, I'd say 33 times 8 will give me 424, 264. So put my 8 there and put my 264 here. And how do I know I'm right? Because I have no remainders left at the end, and all the sums we'll be doing today will have no remainders, so you should have 0, 0, 0 at the end. Is that okay? The key thing on these ones though, guys, you need to get rid of the decimal outside. So we jumped it 2 places to the right there. Okay, you multiplied it by 100, basically. So whatever you do out here, you must do the same thing in here. We must multiply that by 100 as well. And the decimal goes here, and once it's there, it just disappears. Okay, and same thing here. We have 0.64 into 49.92. You can never have a decimal out here again, so we're going to multiply it by 100, which will jump the decimal 2 places to the right. And whatever happens outside, the exact same thing will happen inside, so it jumps 2 places to the right. And we end up with 4992 divided by 64. And then off we go. Normal, straightforward, long division. 64 into 4 doesn't go, 64 into 49 doesn't go, 64 into 499. Okay, I'm going to make an estimate. 64, if I round that to 50, 50 into 500 would go about 10, but it's not going to be that much, so I'm going to say about 8. 64 times 8 is 2, 32, 48, 512. Okay, that's too many, so I'm going to try 64 times 7. It's 28, 42, 448. Okay, so I put up my 7 up here, and I have 448 down here. Subtract, that's 1, 5, okay, 0. Don't forget to bring down your 2. So 64 into 512. Luckily for me, I have it done already out here. It's 8. 8 goes there. 512 goes here. Take away, left with 3 zeros. So that's what my answer is. Okay, now what you're going to attempt today, you look in here, so are the highlighted ones. B, 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 the first 3 B's. Now don't do the 4th one, it's your own fault if you do. B, B, B. So just those 3 there. And then all these B, 1, 2, 3. So 6 long divisions. For all of them, guys, you need to first get rid of the decimal on the outside. Whatever you do on the outside, you must do the same on the inside of the division hash. Okay, and then just divide away as normal. Is that okay? Now, just looking at our mental maths for today. We'll fly through these. Okay, chance of picking a spade from a pack of playing cards. Well, we know 4 suits. We've hearts, diamonds, clubs, spades. Each of those suits has 13 cards. Add them up, you get 52 altogether. So it's going to be spades 13 and 52. And yeah, whatever. You can simplify that if you like. 9 over 1,000 as a decimal. Well, 1,000 has 1, 2, 3 zeros. So our answer is going to have 3 numbers after the decimal. You tell me what it's going to be. 4 and 3 sevens is an improper fraction. We've done loads of these, but remember 4 sevens or 7 fours, 28 plus 3, 31, all over 7, obviously. So you tell me what it's going to be. This one, we need a common denominator, so count up in your 3s, 6s, 9s, count up in your 2s, 2, 4, 6. Common denominator is going to be 6. You'll figure that one out. 14 looks a little different, but it's pretty straightforward as well. So we need to add up all these guys here to make 1 kg or 1,000 grams. So 1/5 of a kilogram, I'll use a red pen actually here, is 200 grams. plus 290 grams. So you just need to decide what goes in there. How many grams? 200 plus 290 plus what gives us 1 kg or 1000 grams. This one again, question 16, is a nice little one. Remember again, if we're comparing which is better value, we need to get the same units here. And it's up to yourself which way you do it. But I would say it'd be easier to bring them both to 500 here, because you won't need to do anything in the bottom line. And it's very easy to bring this guy here to 500 grams. Just multiply all the top line by 2. And then that's going to be very obvious to you which is cheaper or better value. And for question 19, it says 10 to the power of a equals 100,000, which basically means 10 multiplied by itself, how many times gives us 100,000? So 10 by 10 by 10, you tell me. And that's what, however many times, that's what is going to be A. A is going to be that little number there, that index A as it's called, or to the power of. Is that okay, guys? Okay, any problems, get in touch. You should have no issues with those. Slán live, agus gar maith.